This small area of all non-native plants was cleared and transformed into a native plant pollinator garden next to Christ Church. The Native Plant Society of Staten Island, an all-volunteer group whose mission is to promote native plants, recently received a grant of 550 native wildflower plants and shrubs to create a demonstration pollinator garden. All of the plants provide nectar, pollen, habitat, and nesting material for native bees, moths, and butterflies. They are also host plants for various butterfly and moth larvae. The plants were transported from a native plant nursery in New Jersey and planted at Christ Church by a group of volunteers who are members of the Native Plant Society, all in one day. We even installed a native bee house thanks to Green Stinger Beekeeping. As the plants mature, the garden will be lush with flowers and pollinators from spring to fall. Plant native plants. If you plant it, they will come. They being the pollinator insects. This is one type of action where we can see the results of our efforts.